As you can see, there's snow everywhere. This is R and 17th. This is one of the main intersections around our neighborhood, and you can see people cleaning snow off their car, shoveling snow. Basically, all life right now revolves around snow. Let's start taking a walk back this way. This is report number 2, coming live from Washington, D.C., from the DuPont neighborhood. And as you can see, the snow continues to fall. We've talked about snow being on the ground, snow being on the street, people walking on snow, packing it down, turning it into ice. And if you turn on the news, they can find many more things to say about the snow. To be completely honest, I don't know what else to say. I should report on the fact, though, that all of these cars are completely snowed in. No! That one got away. Other than that, all of these cars are totally snowed in. Let's get on the move. I gotta start getting back. I don't want to get caught in this. You lay down, take a nap, wake up frozen. Whoa. Here we go, over by my old hood. Let's make some progress here. Now, what do we see? More frozen cars. I know where to take you. So, on any given day, you can walk over to the park, and you would normally see a grassy hill, but today that is not the case at all. This is the dog park. The dog park is covered in snow. There are actually 20 dogs out there right now, buried 3 feet deep. No, I'm just kidding. There are no dogs out there today. Their owners are inside, the dogs are inside, and yeah, that's about it. Alright, let's wrap up with something fun. Woo! Oh, we're in the snow.